On February 28, 2022, Tura police station had received an FIR from the mother of minor girl who was missing from home for 1 week, and on that day the relatives of the minor traced her along with one suspect and handed it over to Tura Women Police Station. Later, it was ascertained that the minor was sexually assaulted multiple times over a period of 1 week. Accordingly, a case was registered by Tura Women Police Station, case number 2402-2022, under Section 366A, 376 IPC, reference with 56 POSCO Act, and investigated. During the recording of statement under Section 164 CRPC, the victim stated in the court that she and a friend was taken to Rimpu Bagan building owned by one Bernard Rimpu and Marak, who is the member of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, by the main accused person and one of his friends. They hired one room and sexually assaulted her there multiple times. Immediately, a special operation was launched on July 23rd from 6 p.m. till 5 a.m., which is still going on. The main accused, namely Bernard Rimpu and Marak, was verbally instructed to cooperate with the investigation and surrender himself at Shillong Sadar police station immediately. However, he has not cooperating and is evading arrest at the time of issue of this press release. The search operation is continuing.
So yesterday raid started at about 6 p.m. It continued for 7-8 hours, and they have recovered some incriminating documents, register, etc. The Tura police has picked up 73 youth. Out of that, 26 are female and rest male. They have also rescued 5 number of children. The children were locked in a room, and from outside the lock was broken, and after that, one after another, 5 children were rescued, and out of 5, 1 was female. And in subsequent search, they have seized nearly 37 vehicles and 47 mobile phones, 30,000 rupees cash, and 500 packets of condom and contraceptive tablets, and few other incriminating documents. The search, when I last spoken with SP Tura, the search was still going on. The case has been registered already at Tura Women Police Stations under Section 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of the Immoral Trafficking Act 1956. The owner of that resort, Mr. Bernard R. Marak, he is not found available at his residence or in Shillong. We got the information that he was in Shillong. When the police went there, he was not found there. So now the last location was in somewhere near Ghadc, and after that the mobile phone is showing switched off. So the investigation is continuing now. Police already searched those locations. He was not found at that location, and mobile phone is now switched off. Further investigation, as and when any progress will be there, I will share. Warrant is not required because this was in continuation with the POXO Act, where the girl has lodged complaint to Tura PS that she was taken to that place, that Rimpu's farmhouse or whatever they locally call it. It is Edenbury area in the outskirts of Tura, and there she was sexually assaulted. And after that, POXO Act case was registered at Tura Women Police Station. And during investigation and follow-up action of that case, it was later revealed that that place was used as a brothel. So that is why not many 73 youth were detained there, and many of them were in compromising position. Meghalaya police will go strictly as per law, and the recovery itself indicate that something fishy was there. He has no license to run that, and then why the liquors was also recovered. More than 400 bottle liquors were recovered. He has no license for that, and 500 condoms packets were recovered. This indicates that it was run as a brothel, and the police will take action as per law.